Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good and welcome to all of you in this new video. Guys, today I'm here to explain you about Garden Cell.com review, and in this video I'll help you know whether you should buy from this website or not. Guys, if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. So this is the homepage of this website, and it is an online shopping store that deals with beautiful and exclusive collection of gardening materials, and it is also known as International B2C online gardening product shop that deals with beautiful gardening products, and the prices of these offerings are too good to be true, guys. Now coming to the payment options, so you can see the modes of payment which are available on the website are Visa, MasterCard, JCB, American Express, Discover, Mastrio and PayPal. Now let's check out the shipping information of this website. So this is the shipping policy page, and here they have mentioned that the delivery time will depend on the processing time plus shipping duration. So they have mentioned an example that if you will order something, it will need 3 to 5 business days of processing time, then 10 to 20 business days of shipping time. So you can expect the delivery within 13 to 25 business days. However, they have mentioned improper content in the shipping policy, guys, which is a negative sign. Now before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel, and let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this site as a scam or legit website. So guys, this site is using a secure and valid HTTPS connection, which is a positive sign. And talking about the domain information of the site, the domain name was created on 30th of December 2020, and the site is 2 months and 7 days old. So we can't claim this site legit on the basis of domain age factor. Now coming to the About Us information, so let's check out the About Us page of this particular site. Here they have mentioned limited information, but they have not provided the info related to business establishment year, business owner name, brand connection info, etc., which is a negative sign, guys. Coming to the contact details of the site, so you can see they have mentioned email address which matches with the domain name, which is a good sign, but they haven't provided the contact number on this particular site, which is a negative sign, and the address seems to be fake as well. Now talking about the social media presence, so the site has 3 social media icons including Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. So guys, the site has social media presence but has few followers on Facebook as well, and this time these pages are not active as well. So this is a negative sign. Apart from that, talking about the popularity of the site is not much popular online, guys. And coming to the return policy, let's check out the return policy of this website. So they have mentioned 14 days of return policy after the receipt of the product. Guys, do comment about your experience regarding return or refund of the product. Talking about Garden Cell.com review, guys, we are not able to find customer reviews about the site on the internet and on the official website as well, which is a negative sign. And the site is not much popular online because the trust index score of this site is 1%, which is really very bad, and it defines that the site has an unknown trustworthiness score. So guys, there are so many loopholes as well, so we do not recommend you to buy anything from this website, as this is a new website and contains so many loopholes as well. So you should stay away from such type of suspicious sites, and if you have money related problem, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video, guys, because we read all your comments over every video. So guys, hit the like button, share the video with your friends and subscribe our channel to get more notifications. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day.